So I did mess around with it for a bit. When I first tried to get it running, it didn't want to start. So I had to get in here, do some diagnostics on the computer. That's why this panel's out right here. Found out the crankshaft position sensor wasn't working properly. Readjusted the air gap on the crankshaft position sensor, hooked up an auxiliary fuel tank, and it fired up. It is a manual. These leather seats, although they can look okay, they're rock hard. This car sat outside since about 2017, and it just sat right in the sun, and it just got killed by the sun. So it's very sad. Headliner's still in decent shape. Back seats are okay. That whole rear sail panel completely dried out. Sitting in the back seat here. So I have that piece right there. It's actually pretty roomy back here. Not bad at all. My head hits the roof a little bit, but that's because there's no compression in the seat anymore. Usually when you sit in a leather seat, you sit in the leather seat. This leather seat, you sit on the leather seat. Door panels. Another door panel, pretty good shape. Sitting in the front seat, oh man, this seat's all out of adjustment. And it's all power, so I can't do anything about it. No battery right now. Pretty interesting switch arrangement here. This actually is very reminiscent to a Chrysler stereo, like a late 90s or early 90s Dodge Chrysler stereo.